I saw another buck. They lost both sides of the rack already. They're in a little bit different position here today. They're not way in the back. They're kind of way in the front. Everybody's going antlerless. It looks too big to be a doe. And I got the sun right behind him there, which I'm kind of blinded by. Poor planning on my part. But I photograph him when I see him. No antlers, and I say that's a buck. And he's the second one today. Gonna swing around, see if I can find the other one. He's a big boy. He's the same one I just showed you though. Now here comes the one with one antler. He's not quite such a big boy. He's approaching my car, which I walked away from. I have this bizarre sense that the car is the producer of the food. So, little guy here, full rack. Little guy back there, full rack. You not so much. I asked him if I could see him better. He's trying to help me out. So their location within the property is very strange today. Not sure what happened, but they're pretty much east when they're usually west or whatever. I'm trying to get them to follow me home. This is the other one without rack, okay? This is not the big boy, but I don't think that's a doe. Come here. I can't see. Drop your head. Bow to me. Bow to me. That's got to be a buck, right? So no rack on that buck. Uh-oh. Now see? You see that? Where he's gone? Let me watch what he does. Oh, he's picking up some speed over there. That is the way you get out. Day or night. Not quite that way. He needs to get over to the right, but he'll follow that fence and do it. Another antlerless buck in the back, smooth in the front. Snow in front of me and Smooth. Smooth could jump that in without breaking a sweat. I'd never make it. Right, guy? Dang, I smell cannabis. That's weird. I smell cannabis in the cemetery. Mid-January, and a lot of them have lost their antlers. Well, not a lot, but they are. I've seen years where they held them even in March and April. So this is antlerless buck number 3. He's actually, I think, the first one that I saw that lost his antlers. this ended here, but I don't think it started here. Then a trail of deer poop off in that direction, so what do you think? I asked them if I could take a picture of the ladies. And they seem to be posing. Well, that was 2 steps towards them. No longer posing. There's more ladies down here. Not to worry. A lot of ladies. There's the big guy way out there. That was shoot. I said shoot. And that one runs like Bravo. Way out there. I need to get a new battery for my phone. I came here with 50%, and I'm down to nothing.